SKIF-D, the first satellite of the SPHERE federal program, manufactured by RESHETNEV for demonstration purposes, is used to ensure videoconferencing sessions between the two RESHETNEV company objects, antenna field and concurrent design facility. Communication between the users is enabled by means of two cell towers, an internet network protected by the provider, and two ground control stations. One belongs to RESHETNEV Experimental Command and Measurement Complex, and the other one is a part of small spacecraft research and production center. Both are located in Zheleznogorsk, Russia.
Solar arrays developed and manufactured by RESHETNEV perform well as a part of the second ARKTIKA-M satellite. Both solar arrays of the Russian meteorological satellite consist of 3 panels each. Manufacturing process was based on reliable and efficient technical solutions. The solar arrays consist of lightweight and robust frames made of polymer composite materials, triple-junction gallium arsenide photocells, and mechanical devices.
RESHETNEV experts developed a new unified platform for marathon microsatellites. The platform consists of honeycomb panels and a set of service subsystem hardware. In the future, the company engineers are planning to produce satellites of various purposes under 100 kilograms, powered by the new platform.
RESHETNEV is developing a method of manufacturing downlink antenna reflectors with membrane reflecting surface. The membrane has the form of thin, flexible film, which has great properties of elastic deformation and preservation of shape during stowing and deployment. This new solution will help to decrease antenna's mass and will make the reflectors more compact in stowed position, thus making it possible to mount more antennas on the satellite.
A payload module is a structure populated with hardware and antenna systems intended to fulfill the spacecraft's target missions. By the end of the year, the satellite building enterprise plans to set up a site for payload modules assembly and testing. By centralizing such activities in one place, their efficiency will be improved. The new site will be used to build payloads for such communication satellites as Express AMU-4, Express RV, Yamal 501, Luch 5VM, and others.